Have you been wondering how to figure out the Clickbank platform or even just affiliate marketing in general and haven't got results, really don't know the fundamentals, really don't know where to start? Well, in this Clickbank tutorial, Clickbank for beginners, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to go from beginner to expert and literally how to generate $300 per day and beyond, and what steps you guys actually need to take to start generating a massive income online with Clickbank. So, with that being said, let's get right into the content. We're gonna go ahead and step behind the laptop and get right to it. So, if we look here, guys, and sorry ahead of time for the noise because there is, I'm in a public area, so let's just put it that way, right? But there's 3 steps actually to make money with Clickbank, right? So first and foremost, what is Clickbank? It's an affiliate network, and with an affiliate network, right, it simply gives you the opportunity to find different affiliate offers that you can promote. What is affiliate marketing? It's simply when you go ahead and refer products. For the sales that you generate, you get paid a commission, right? Now, what you're gonna do is the first thing is create a Clickbank account. It's very simple. If I was to go to clickbank.com, wrong website, clickbank.com. So if I was to go to clickbank.com and go to create an account, simple, it's just gonna ask for standard details. Once you give it the details it needs, you go ahead and create an account. Once you create an account, this is acting a little bit slow, so I'm just gonna go right here. You're gonna go ahead and click the marketplace, right? And then it's gonna go ahead and open these things up, right? Now, the step that you're gonna want to take, right? Step number 1 is finding a niche. Now, basically, guys, what a niche is simply, a niche is something, or to make it easy for you guys, a niche, right? The top 3 niches are health, wealth, and romance, right? Now, these are called evergreen niches, and the best way I can say what a niche is basically like a category or a topic, right? To where you're going to be able to find products within that category or that topic, and the top 3 that you're going to want to use are these 3 right here, right? Health, wealth, and romance. These are called evergreen niches, and the reason why is because they're the broadest niches, and that's where the most products are going to be found. And number 2, that's where people are forever going to be, like, those are evergreen. Health is going nowhere. People are always going to want to be healthy. Wealth is going nowhere. Why? Because people are always going to want to make more money. And romance, until AI takes over and robots are ruling the world, people are going to be looking for significant others and everything of that nature, right? So those are always niches that are going to be there forever, right? Now, once we find a niche, the next step is finding a product, right? So step 2, that's step 1. Step 2. Step 2 is find a product or offer. Now, guys, here's the thing. Where most people go wrong is they don't find an offer that's converting, right? So, offer that converts. Now, the way we do that is by filtering by the gravity score, right? So if we go ahead and step behind Clickbank, and we were going to go to, let's just say, health and wellness, or health and fitness, right? That's considered the health niche. Then the next step is filtering, not by popularity. I don't care about popularity. I care about what is converting, right? Where are people making the most money? Now, what the gravity score is simply the score that shows how many affiliates have been paid within the last week. So, for instance, if the red tea detox has 269 affiliates generating commissions, that should tell you something, right? Now, what I'm going to do is, just to make sure that I'm willing to actually promote the offer, I'm going to open it up take a look at it, and it looks like this is what it looks like, right? This is basically a woman audience you're going to be targeting and people who are looking to lose weight. Now, basically, once I figure out, right, my offer, you're going to go ahead and press promote. And then what's going to happen is you want to also make sure that there's good profit margins there. So they do pay out 75%, right? If we go back to this, it's also $26. So 75% is that. It's about $20 per sale. But how do we get to $300 per day, right? So first, we need to set up a target, right? If our target is $300 per day, right? $300 per day, and our offer is $20 per sale, how many sales do we have to generate per day, right? Now, realistically, we have to generate about 15 sales per day. Now, here's where step 3 comes into play, which is traffic, right? Now, stay with me here because I'm actually going to go ahead and give you guys a bonus step, right? But, so here's the thing, right? The thing about traffic is you want quality and a large amount. Now here's the thing. Here's what most people aren't going to go ahead and tell you, which I'm not here to lie to you. The only way to get to $300 per day, right? Because if you're getting 15 sales per day, you need a large volume of traffic. There's a large following, or paid traffic. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be, once we create this link, right, they're going to go ahead and give us this link right here, right? Now, there's different ways, guys. If you guys don't want this ugly link, you guys can use things like Bitly, or you can even go ahead and create a link with, or redirect your domain to this link. But the next step is how are we going to go ahead and get traffic to this link, right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 3 methods, right? Number 1, types of traffic. Number 1, guys, is YouTube SEO. That's what I'm using right now, guys. I use YouTube, and you guys can create a niche-based account with your YouTube. It's a very simple method, right? What you're gonna do is find a specific keyword of a problem that people are looking for. Just to give you guys an example, right? YouTube. So I'm gonna find a keyword that people are looking for within this specific niche. So how to lose weight. So how to lose weight fast. That's a longer keyword. And I'm gonna find videos that are actually working within this niche, right? So this one has 12 million views. They have 336,000 views. So obviously these videos have really good content. You're gonna go ahead and check out the actual keyword, see what the title is. And then what you can do is you can model these type of videos, right? And then 80% of your content is gonna be value. And then the next 20% is gonna be pitching an offer, right? But here's the thing. The only problem with that is this takes long, right? You're not going to be able to get to $300 per day quickly. So this is more so of like slow and steady wins the race. Now, is it possible over time? Yeah, if you get one video that cracks maybe 12 million views, you can make a ridiculous amount of money. You'll make 12 sales per day, no problem, and you'll be at that $300 per day. But, so the negatives about YouTube SEO is that it takes a little bit longer, but the positive is that it's pure profit and it's passive, right? So if I'm generating 15 sales per day from one video, it's just passive freaking income, right? But number 2 is CPC marketing, right? That's called cost per click marketing. And what we're gonna use is things like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, right? And what we're gonna do, guys, the only way we can have a profitable ad with cost per click marketing, and this is gonna be the quickest way to scale to where you're generating enough profit to actually scale up this income, right? Is we're gonna be focusing on this term right here, And again, sorry for the noise ahead of time. There's literally little kids running around right now. So it's called the click-through rates. Right? Now, what is the click-through rate, guys? When you start running these paid advertisement campaigns on like Facebook ads and everything of that nature, right? We want to have compelling advertisement, right? And compelling ads. And there's videos on this subject, but I'm keeping it very brief, teaching you guys the fundamentals of how we're going to go ahead and get to this goal, right? Which is 15 subs per day. It's really not hard once you guys learn the fundamentals of advertisement. And I'm going to keep on saying sorry for this kid screaming. I wasn't expecting this. But, right, what's important is this content. So the click-through rate is simply the percentage of people. Guys, some people don't know how to control their kids. Sorry about that. So percentage of people who click through ads. Now the way to do this is with really good advertisement. Now the higher your click-through rate, right, literally the lower the cost per click. So the lower the cost per click, meaning the lower you're spending, customer acquisition, you want to make sure your customer acquisition is sorry about that. You want to make sure your customer acquisition, meaning the cost to acquire a customer, is much lower than the commission that you're actually being paid. Right, and the way that we do this is with click-through rate, right? And that's where advertisement comes into play, and that's where you want to master advertisement. Now here's the thing, there's no way that I'd be able to actually create a full video on all the types of advertisement, click-through rate, everything of that nature, right? That's why I actually have a course called Jumpstart Affiliate, right? It'll be one of the first links in the descriptions. It'll literally teach you guys about paid advertisement, how to do paid ads for, how to scale your business when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? How to look for good click-through rate, everything of that nature, right? And number two, I'm gonna go to give you guys access to an ebook that'll teach you guys, number one, the number one method that I'd recommend for affiliate marketing, how to make money with it. And number two, it'll literally teach you guys the fundamentals of how to actually bring all this together, right? But what we're simply going to be looking to do, guys, is here's the method. Right? This is how you guys scale your affiliate marketing business. Buy low, sell high. So what you need to focus on is acquiring customers for very low but selling a higher product, right? To where you're making a lot more revenue than the expenses that you're paying for. So with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Again, I apologize for the annoying ass kids. And make sure you guys subscribe for valuable future content. Grab access to the ebook. All the tools and resources that I use are down below as an affiliate. And last but not least, if you guys want more extensive training, cop the course, Jumpstart Affiliate. It'll be one of those links down below. Now, that being said, I appreciate you guys so much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Big head on the way. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and